We have been seeing a tremendous growth of a startup company that, focusing a lot on FinTech.
Over the last 10 months, the number of startups in co-working spaces has grown by 46%, which is incredibly fast. But an important component and an important pillar within that startup community is the FinTech sector.
When we started, there were so few startups in Hong Kong in general, never mind FinTech companies, never mind FinTech companies in the institutional investment space.
I think Hong Kong is catching up very quickly, especially since I started my company last year. I feel that a lot of more people have started up, a lot more people have raised money, and in general, the scene here is a very, very active.
We are seeing very amazing companies, banking solution, portfolio management solutions that are out of the Hong Kong.
But the Bitcoin startup ecosystem has developed probably the best. That's something where Hong Kong is, shining in the world of Bitcoin.
And we're seeing a lot of companies coming into Hong Kong that are related to FinTech and are using Hong Kong as their base to expand across Asia.
I see government that have a big appetite to change and want to support that.
Big changes are happening, but you've got to have the government, you've got to have universities, you have to have a city plan behind this. This doesn't happen by itself, I'm sorry.
So we have to make sure that Hong Kong is able to take advantage of these opportunities by enabling and allowing these newer, smaller, limbo players to get into the market as well.
Well, we're looking at a number of different measures. We need to sort of do more branding to really showcase the companies that are successful in Hong Kong, but also we need to do more to support the companies in the FinTech space.
I think it's important for Hong Kong to think about reinvention in the financial industry.
With the backset of global digital revolution, I think Hong Kong is going through this process of reinventing itself from a very heavily traditional service-driven economy to creative, innovative economy.
Hong Kong is going through a process of learning and adapting to the new economy.
It's really important that the changes in the financial industry, Hong Kong is up to speed with that, and it's really a leader in the region.
I think Hong Kong, if wants to move away from being a property and love for retail and finance, it has to evolve proactively.
Hong Kong is evolving as a financial center. It's becoming more diverse in the products that people can source and find in Hong Kong. And I think FinTech solutions, the FinTech service providers are filling a number of discrete gaps within that financial services ecosystem.
Hong Kong already have a foundation to become a great FinTech hub for Asia Pacific.
I personally very much believe that Hong Kong is going to be the Asian FinTech hub, and we are going to see that in the next 24 months.
I'm very excited. I think we're just at the beginning of this journey. I think the FinTech community is going to grow very rapidly in Hong Kong, and I think it's going to grow in pace with Hong Kong's emerging role as China's international financial center.